guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is day 8 of Vlogmas. We're making our way right on through the month, and it's been a slow day for me. So it's Sunday. I woke up kind of late. It took me a while to get breakfast going. My friend was still here, so we kind of like just lounged around. 1 o'clock football game started coming on. At some point I took a nap on the couch. I mean, it's been a slow day, and I really think I needed that. With the hustle and bustle of life, sometimes you just need those slow moments to kind of like recoup mentally, physically. So I'm all for a slow day. I don't get them too often, so when I do, I like to take advantage of it. So yeah, my Sunday was pretty relaxing. We went to see Moana. We took our girls to see Moana this evening, and I think I'm partial to Moana, the first one. I absolutely loved the first one. I know the soundtrack. I know the movie verbatim. I love Moana. Like, I do. I love it. But the second one, it was cute. I mean, it had some funny moments. I guess it was a good storyline, but I like the first one better. I don't know. Maybe it'll grow on me. Maybe once, it comes out on Disney or what have you, and we watch it a few times, maybe I'll grow to love it as much. But as of today, I think I would choose 1 over 2. However, if you haven't seen it, go out and see it, especially if you have kids. They'll enjoy it. Our little one, she's 2, so halfway through the movie, she's like, "Mommy, I'm ready to go." I don't know if that was an indication that she wasn't enjoying the movie or what, but she sat back down and we were able to get through the movie. But it was okay. But definitely number 1 is like it for me. Anyways, so the bag of today, I think we're gonna go the Gucci route. So every day when I like choose a bag, I'm always like deep in thought, like, what should I say about this bag? So since yesterday I kind of like went over spring in the city and it was kind of like a colorful bag, I figured we would stay in that same kind of realm with like color. Yellow is a happy color, so that's why I kind of chose that bag, the bag I'm going to show you today, because like yellow is happy. So I hope you guys are having a happy Sunday. Stick around. So I bought this bag maybe like 2021. At the time we were living in Italy, and there is a outlet. It's like a premium, like a kind of like a luxury outlet closer to Venice. It's actually right past Venice. It's called Noventa, if I'm not mistaken, but they have like Gucci, Isabella Marant, they have Valentino, Burberry, Le Creuset, the pots, the pot company. They have more than pots, but they have those beautiful Dutch ovens. I mean, it's a lot of designers there. I'm drawing a blank, but it's a very nice outlet. It's a lot of places to eat. You could stop and have Prosecco at multiple, restaurants. I mean, it's a really nice place. There's gelato, several gelato shops at the outlet. So we used to visit pretty often, but when we were there one day, it was just a spur of the moment purchase. We kind of walked in Gucci. Sometimes it's like a hit or miss with Gucci because it's, it's made in Italy and there's like a few different outlets in Italy. Sometimes it's a hit or miss because what you'll see is that sometimes you'll see busloads of tourists, right, at these outlets, and like they'll come and buy up a lot of stuff and then take it back to their home country to sell it. So sometimes it's a hit or miss. Sometimes you might go, there's a lot of inventory, there's a lot of selection, and then others it's like it's picked through. So in this particular day when we went, I actually saw a few things that I would buy, and one in particular was the item that I purchased. So today's bag of the day is the Gucci, and this is part of the Ophidia line, and this is the floral GG, I think that's what it's called. I know it's part of the floral line, but it's definitely a round Ophidia bag, and it's yellow, as I told you guys. It has, that traditional Gucci stripe down the middle. It has gold hardware. The back looks the exact same, but without the emblem, without the GG emblem right here. The strap is not detachable, right? But it's pretty long. It's a significant length. I can definitely wear it crossbody. The strap has like this gold chain that goes into leather. So I absolutely love the design of the bag. I always thought it was really, really pretty. This bag used to come in the traditional Gucci print, and I'll try to insert a photo. I'm assuming it's still sold as part of their collection online. Not sure, but I'll definitely try to find a photo, right? But the floral design I just thought was really, really pretty. The inside is a beige color, and it's microfiber, and then this little tab right here just says Gucci made in Italy. And then while I was there, I also bought the matching card holder. You guys know I'm such a SLG girl, so I did buy a matching card holder, and it looks exactly like the bag, right? Exactly like the bag. The card holder has 2 slots on the front. It has 2 slots on the back, and then there is a middle compartment, so it can hold, you know, multiple cards. I've definitely used the bag a few times. I'll insert a photo, but I love this bag. I think it's super cute. It's a great pop of color, so I was happy to add it to my collection. With the Ophidia line, there's so many different styles offered from that line. So if you own anything, let me know down below. But tell me what you think of my bag of the day. I hope you guys have had a wonderful Sunday. And I'm about to go get ready for bed. It's a pretty late video, but I just didn't want to like leave you guys without a day 8 video. I will see you tomorrow, and until then, be safe.